This 30-second trick will make your car door panels look brand new, no fancy tools needed. Did you know dirty door panels make your whole car feel grimy? Here's the fastest fix. Grab a microfiber cloth and an all-purpose cleaner, no need for expensive sprays. Lightly mist the cloth, not the panel, to avoid drips. Wipe in smooth, straight lines, focusing on crevices where grime hides. For stubborn marks, use a soft bristle brush gently. Finish by buffing with a dry microfiber for a streak-free shine. That's it, less than a minute for doors that look showroom fresh. Ready to upgrade your car's interior. Hit like for more quick cleaning hacks.